Hello friends, happy Friday evening, afternoon, Saturday morning. Pretty much depends on what part of the world you're in. So in my part of the world, it just happens to be late Friday afternoon, early Friday evening, and definitely need a beer after the week I've had. Not the greatest week, but hey, still alive, right? Still healthy, you know, more or less, and in my shed with all of my junk and having a beer. So taxing as the problems in the world might be, this particular moment in time, I'm happy. So, excuse me, what am I up to tonight, you might ask? Well, I might tell you. So I've got another power bar. And I'm going to take said power bar, mount it over there, so I can plug all my beer signs into it. I think that is going to be awesome. So I'm going to start with that. Well, actually I'm going to start with, the beer first. Oh, that's good. Innocent Gun Scotch Ale. Lovely. Lovely. Okay, I'm going to grab some tools and screws and start on this. Well, they're all lit up. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, the camera doesn't pick the sign detail up very good. But anyways, got them all individually plugged in and lit up. Winning. Hey, so I'm back on this side now. Well, actually, this side. There. So you never guess what I've got. Another one of those HID fixtures that I said to myself, you gotta stop picking those up because you got nowhere to store the bodies of these, which is cast aluminum or die cast, one of the two. But came across these. So I've got 9 of these, 2 of the cube ones, and a few other ones. So I'm just going to keep jamming them into my other truck there until it gets full. But I thought I'd take this one apart quick like and show you the reason why I couldn't resist. So another bit of good news today. I finally found my 1/4 inch long nut driver. Been looking for this thing everywhere. Finally found it at work. I had it in my toolbox at work. So. Started to clean up all my tools at work a bit. A bit of a change for me coming at my work. As of Monday, I'm not the manager anymore there. I'm stepping down. Another guy is starting. So I'll still be working there, hopefully, for till the late summer, early fall. And then after that, I'm going to go work at our other shop. Not quite so many hours, or just retire altogether. We'll see how it goes. Unfortunately, the recent events on the stock market have made it more likely that I'll be working for another year or two, but we'll see. Take it as it comes. So I got so much of my own stuff at work there, I got to kind of start bringing it home. Just in case the new manager says, "Get your shit out of here." So don't want to come to that. So this is your standard fare here for HID light. I think I've said before, but in the future, and I'm talking the near future, 5 years or something, you will not be scrapping these anymore because they just won't exist. They will have all been replaced by LED fixtures. And these will have either been scrapped or sadly sent to the dump and not recycled. But I'm definitely doing my part to recycle them. That's why I was missing this 1/4 inch long nut driver. Just about every one of these, the majority of the fasteners have 1/4 inch heads. It's so much nicer to have the longer driver. So there's the first score, aluminum. Just what I need. second windfall. A bit of copper. All right, see that? That's right, folks, copper. So that's actually a nice little shot there. There's probably minimum 2 pounds, maybe even 3 pounds of copper there. Alright, another transformer. Just when I had all of these processed, there's another one. But, actually, you know, those are pretty worthwhile. There's a fair bit of copper in them, so. Throw that away right away, just so I'm not tempted to save it for some obscure reason. Uh-oh. Missing my hammer. Not to worry though, I have a few more. So, This guy is aluminum too. Bulb, I don't want that. That will get recycled. Yeah, these are really heavy glass, shatter resistant, but I just can't think of any reasonable repurposing use for them. Sort of a shame. Now, let's see. Got my hammer back. Well, my metal buckets are getting full, so this weekend I gotta make a run into our other shop and dump those out, but every time I go in there, I've run the risk of finding something else there to bring home. So I'm trying to stay strong. All right, so that guy. Gonna dispatch with that screw. This guy's got a bit of a gasket on him too. All right. Clean cast / aluminum. Alrighty, so I brought 3 of those home tonight. So I'll get those babies scrapped up over the weekend. Oh, also I found these brass tidbits. I was sorting out all our, these are actually parts off of ground clamps. So these and the rest of the clamp have become separated, so a little bit of brass. There's probably over a pound of brass there. So that will go in the miscellaneous brass bucket. Anyways, just going to keep puttering away here tonight. Amuse myself. Hope everyone has a good Friday. And hope your upcoming weekend is fantastic. So for me, Mac in the shed. See you later.